Now we are going to solve the seventh problem in chapter 8, Heat and Thermodynamics. First I will read the problem. Normal human body of the temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. During high fever, if the temperature increases to 104 degree Fahrenheit, what is the change in peak wavelength that emitted by our body? Assume that human body is a black body. Very simple problem. Here to solve the problem we have to use the Wien's displacement law. That Wien's displacement law, its expression is given here. The peak wavelength or lambda max into absolute temperature of the body, lambda max into T, that one gives you the constant, that product that gives the constant. This is called Wien's constant. The Wien's constant value is given here, 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin is given. Here two temperatures are given. One is the human body, it is at normal temperature, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. When the temperature at 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, what would be the lambda max? When the temperature is raised to 104 degree Fahrenheit due to fever, at that time you have to find out again the lambda max. First you have to convert the 98.6 degree Fahrenheit into Kelvin. So this is the method. Are you clear? So 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 310.15 Kelvin. 104 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 313.15 Kelvin. I have written the formula. You can follow this. Now I am going to calculate the lambda max using Wien's displacement law. Very simple problem. You can easily solve it. Okay. First you write this formula. The initial normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. No, its corresponding temperature is taken. The normal temperature T is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, that is equal to 310.15 Kelvin. Okay, so you are asked to calculate lambda max. Lambda max into T is equal to 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin. Okay, what is required? Lambda max is required. Lambda max is equal to 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by the T, that is to be cross multiplied here, and then substitute 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole divided by 310.15 Kelvin. Here meter Kelvin is there in the unit, in the constant. That Kelvin and Kelvin both can be cancelled. The final unit will be meter. So lambda max is equal to, here already I have calculated the answer with the help of calculator. The answer would be 0.009343 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. This decimal point to be displaced. After displacing the decimal point, you will get 9343. Here it is displaced here. So that one becomes 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. So finally the answer would be 9343 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, that is equal to nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. So 9343 nanometer. This is the wavelength of the maximum wavelength of the radiation which is emitted from the body when the body is at normal temperature. So the first part of the problem is over. Are you clear? Now we have to solve the second part of the problem. So I'll draw the partition line for understanding purpose. So next we will concentrate on the next one. Again, I would like to use this formula directly. Lambda max is equal to 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole divided by t is equal to 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin whole divided by, here what is the new temperature at the time of fever? When the body temperature will rise, no, the new temperature is how much? 313.15. So the new temperature at the time of fever is 313.15 Kelvin. Kelvin can be cancelled. So the new wavelength, maximum wavelength emitted from the human body, its answer is very simple one, already calculated, 0.0092, what is this, 9254 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. How this one could be simplified? This decimal point to be displaced here. So 9254 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So the final answer would be 9254 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Okay, so again this part to be converted into nanometer, 9254 nanometer. So this is the wavelength, maximum wavelength emitted when the body temperature is raised to 104 degree Fahrenheit. That is at the time of fever. Are you clear? So here you should have to understand one thing, that when the temperature rises, wavelength will decrease. Are you clear? Look at here, when the temperature is low, here the temperature is low, this is low temperature. Are you clear? Here the wavelength is more. Are you clear? Wavelength is more. Here the temperature is high. Are you clear? The temperature is high. Wavelength will be less. So lambda max is inversely proportional to temperature. That you have to understand. Okay? Very interesting problem.